Welcome kits for new residents are different in each community, but the goal is the same, to help everyone feel good about choosing your community. If I were to create the ultimate welcome kit, I would start with a letter from your community director or management company leader. Share briefly what residents will find in your welcome kit, express your appreciation for them, and provide key contacts for any questions. The next welcome kit item is your handbook. Make sure the policies are up to date and that your handbook is attractive. Design the handbook with your community colors and images. Why? Because you want residents and family members to read it. A pretty handbook looks more valuable than other paperwork they have to fill out, and they will be more likely to keep it handy. A third item to include in your welcome kit is a sheet that asks questions about the resident. Give them an opportunity to share their personal interests and important life milestones. Tell them how you use it. There are many other items you can include in your welcome kit, but these are just the fundamentals. My final tip for the welcome kit is to offer it in paper or in an electronic form. Some residents probably still prefer paper, while others are getting used to electronic files. You will show your modern touch by giving residents and family members this option. Do you want more ideas for your welcome kit? Get in touch with us at Ingenuity for a no-obligation welcome kit consultation.